The figure below shows the general circulation pattern of some of the surface ocean currents. These currents are primarily caused by winds blowing across the surface of the ocean. The most important way that surface ocean currents affect climate is by A. absorbing moisture from the air, B. reflecting sunlight back into the land, C. changing the direction of global wind patterns, or D. bringing colder or warmer water to areas impacting the temperature along the coast. What is one condition that is necessary for a hurricane to form? A. warm ocean water, B. a strong cold front, C. cold ocean water, or D. a strong warm front. Question 3. Hurricanes frequently form over the oceans during the warmer months of the year. What conditions lead to the formation of hurricanes? A. Tornadoes form over oceans, eventually combining into one large hurricane. B. Heat combined with high evaporation of moisture lowers air pressure, forming a low pressure center that draws wind inward in a spiraling motion. C. Low evaporation keeps moisture in the air, creating a high pressure system that blows wind outward in a spiraling motion. D. Cold and warm water currents mix together in a spiraling motion, forming spiraling winds that contain much moisture. Question 4. El Niño is a phenomenon created by an interaction between the atmosphere and the ocean. What effect does El Niño have on the ocean and weather systems around the world? A. The warming of waters in the eastern half of the Pacific Ocean during El Niño causes an increase in the number of tornadoes formed in the United States. B. The cooling of waters in the eastern half of the Atlantic Ocean during El Niño causes heavy rainfall in Australia, Indonesia, southern India, and parts of Africa and Brazil. C. The warming waters in the eastern half of the Pacific Ocean during El Niño causes heavy rainfall along the equator in Southern California and in southeastern United States. D. The cooling of waters in the western half of the Atlantic Ocean during El Niño causes an unusually high number of hurricanes to form during the summer. Question 5. Hurricanes need energy from the sun to form. A. True. B. False. Use the map below to answer the following questions. Springfield, Missouri and San Francisco, California are at similar latitudes, but they have very different climates. Springfield has hot summers and cold winters, while San Francisco has the same temperatures all year. What is the most likely reason the two cities have such different climates? A. The amount of sunlight on each city. B. The distance of each city from an ocean. C. The elevation above sea level at each city. Or D. The distance of each city from the equator. Question 7. The map below shows the location of the Gulf Stream, an ocean current that moves tropical waters along the east coast of the United States. Which of the following statements best describes how the Gulf Stream affects the weather along the east coast? A. It makes the air less humid and brings less rain to the area. B. It makes the air temperature cooler and wind stronger. C. It makes the wind stronger and brings less rain to the area. Or D. It makes the air temperature warmer and the air more humid. Question 8. Based on the current weather map above, what will be the local weather at location X in 2 days from today? A. No rain and colder temperatures than today. B. Rain and colder temperatures than today. C. No rain and warmer temperatures than today. Or D. Rain and warmer temperatures than today. Question 9. The weather in Billings, Fargo, and Minneapolis is forecasted to change dramatically within 24 hours. What factors cause this change in weather? A. A stationary front is approaching the three cities. B. An occluded front is approaching the three cities. C. A warm front is approaching the three cities. Or D. A cold front is approaching the three cities. Question 10. The map shows a weather system that is affecting part of the United States. Which map best shows the area in which precipitation is most likely to occur? The darkened areas represent precipitation.